Hello guys, welcome back to the part 2 video of common problems faced by Amazon sellers in today's world. In earlier video, we covered few problems faced by Amazon sellers, such as delayed profitability, competition overloaded, Amazon price wars, receiving Amazon feedback, strict restriction and policies. To check out the video, click the link in the description. In this video, we will let you know about changing sales tax laws, customer returns, category restrictions, inconsistent communication from Amazon, completely at Amazon's mercy. Let's watch in detail. Changing sales tax laws. Sales tax laws are changing very quickly. Many states are passing new laws, and as a seller, staying on top of the sales tax laws in 50 different states is a major task. Fortunately, there are some resources for Amazon sellers that can be a huge help, but it still takes effort from sellers. Even sellers who want to do everything by the rules may face challenges and confusion related to what they should do in order to stay compliant. Customer returns. One of the reasons why Amazon has become so successful is because they are generally very buyer-friendly. As a customer, dealing with Amazon is usually a good experience, and the return policy is more customer-friendly as compared to many other e-commerce sites. The return policy can vary depending on the category of the product. Some categories offer free returns for customers, but as a third-party seller, you're the one who is paying for that return. And the free return policy essentially encourages customers to buy multiple products, choose the one they want, and then return the others. I had several customers tell me that they purchased as many as 5 competing products and returned the 4 that they chose not to keep. This results in high return rates and a lot of expenses for sellers. Additionally, the returned products have usually been opened and may or not be in a condition that allows them to be resold. Category restrictions. Over the years, Amazon has become increasingly strict with the third-party sellers that they allow to sell products in certain categories. This is mostly for the safety of buyers and as an attempt to reduce the number of counterfeit products that are sold on the platform. Getting approval to sell in some categories can be very difficult, especially for small sellers. In some cases, you'll need to purchase inventory in order to have the documentation required by Amazon to be approved to sell. Inconsistent communication from Amazon. In general, Amazon's communication with sellers could use improvement. Most of Amazon's rules are pretty clear, but the challenges are usually involved with enforcement of the rules. Sellers may have their accounts suspended without a clear explanation of the reasons, or they may not be able to speak to anyone at Amazon to find out what they need to do in order to get their seller account reinstated. Also, as a seller, you may get a different response from each Amazon seller support rep that you speak to. All of this makes it challenging for sellers to run a business completely at Amazon's mercy. Amazon provides sellers with an unprecedented opportunity to quickly reach millions of buyers, but Amazon also has incredible power over third-party sellers. If Amazon decides that you violated their rules, they can rightfully suspend your seller account. However, sometimes the seller makes an honest mistake or has no idea what they've done to warrant a suspension. A suspension from Amazon will bring your business to a halt. The best way to deal with this is: Step 1. Be sure that you are familiar with all of Amazon's policies for sellers and stay up to date with changes. Step 2. Be sure that you are abiding by the rules, and if you're in doubt, play it conservatively. Step 3. Work on building your business on other platforms, including your own e-commerce website, so you are not 100% dependent on Amazon. I think I have covered most of the points on common problems faced by Amazon sellers. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more Amazon-related updates.